Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for January 8th to the 22nd. For January 8th to the 12th, this is what we're forecasting here, a large trough across much of the country. We have, excuse me, above normal heights here. Allergies are bad. Above normal heights here and here across northeast Canada. And we have above normal heights gradually become more positive as we go through time. Now, during this forecast period, we will have, let's see, we start from the beginning, from the 8th. We have the storm system here developing in the southern plains, and this will have good moisture as a trough here in the west advances eastward. This will transport moisture and instability ahead, and this will cause widespread rain and storms across south central states through midweek. And then later we'll go on through the period. Then we'll have snow to the north, and then early next week, this is a rainmaker for the east, and this could be trouble for areas that get heavy snow from the pending storm here, especially across New England. There'll be some heavier rainfall. Snow on the backside. And okay, along with the system, there'll be along with the system, we'll have gusty winds and local beach flooding. Okay, we're gonna have this for the period for January 13th to 17th. Go back to the 13th to 17th. And the flow is more amplified, you can see here, and these two positive height anomalies might be joining force, and this will be sending colder air down, Arctic air, into the center of the nation. And we have above normal heights here and here, broad trough across much of the country. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies to be 4 to 6 degrees or more across this area, especially across here. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for this region. And here, probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Now we're going to look ahead for the period for January 18th to 22nd. And we still have positive anomalies here, but the flow is somewhat weaker here, but still have a trough across much of the country. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures for this region, and calling for anomalies to be as much as 4 to 6 degrees below normal, especially across this area here. And for precipitation, I'm calling for a little change in the precipitation anomalies from the previous period. Okay, now we're going to get to the impending storm for the east. A lot is going on here. Okay, let me go all right, here we are on a Friday night, tonight, early Saturday. Now we start seeing ice and snow moving in. Then we'll have snow across later in the evening. And then this is a GFS. Keeps it generally snow, and it comes close to the 40-70 degree line. We'll take a look at the European. European is further in, a little bit further in, and it also changes terrain because you look where the 540 line is here to the north. This is late Saturday. And then we'll look at the UK. Has a freezing line to the north, changing the rain, and this is closer to the coast. And the last model we'll look at here is, that is the last model. Okay. Oh, the rapid update. Yeah, I thought I had one here. The rapid update system only goes into early Saturday, and it brings, here's the center of the low down here, starting to spread snow and ice to the north and north of the 540 line is here, and then gradually lifts northward. Okay, next we're going to look at snowfall amounts. Now, this is in 6 hour intervals 'cause I think it's going to be a fast moving storm. So that's why I did in 6 hour intervals. Now, you can see here 7 p.m. There's snow on the ground, probably around, I don't know, close to 4 inches maybe here across northern New Jersey. Higher amounts out to the west across Pennsylvania. And then Saturday morning, we go out and there's about 2 inches more here across northern New Jersey, higher amounts here across New York State and New England. And we'll take a look at the other models. This is the European and has very little snowfall, keeping it mainly to the north. So snowfall amounts across parts of Pennsylvania and northern New Jersey, in the interior mid-Atlantic, are forecast to be 6 to 12 inches, maybe even more, if things come together right. Now, there's even talk, let me see if I could go back here. Now, Sunday, could be more energy circulating around the system that could bring more snowfall on Sunday. So this is, what time is this? 7 a.m. Sunday. All right, the GFS is showing it. A little bit, the GFS showing it here. We have a little additional snow moving in. The 540 line now is just south of Long Island or just along it. And there's additional energy that might come around this system and bring some more snow to the region. Okay, so that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for January 8th to 22nd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.